Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are unboxing the Vegancuts box, and my husband happens to be out of town, so that means I can show you the snacks this time too, because he did not beat me to them. So I decided I'm just going to put the beauty and snacks all in one video, and it'll just be one big Vegancuts video. Before we get started, I did want to show you I'm wearing the Jane Ardell lip balm that came in the color Flirt, and as you can see, it's very, very unnoticeable. It did put a little bit of like just teeny tiny bit of color on my lips. It just evened out the tone, but it really didn't do anything. So that I just did want to show you so you could see what Flirt looks like. And now I'm gonna put a little gloss over top. Okay, so let's crack into the box and see what snacks we got, and then we'll do beauty second. So we find the cards. Well, they're buried, so we won't be finding the card. Let's see, the first snack here is from Pig Out. It is the pigless pork rinds, and this is in the Texas barbecue flavor. I have had these before. I can tell you they are very, very good, so that's exciting. Austin will be excited to see those. He likes those too. Then from Hippies, we have the Bohemian barbecue. It must be like a barbecue themed box or something. I don't personally like Hippies. I think they're too mushy, but Austin likes these, so he'll be very happy with that. We get the snacks mostly for Austin. He's a big snack fan, so. Also, there is a police helicopter flying around the neighborhood, so if you hear that in the background, my apologies. I live in Baltimore City. What do you want? You know, these things happen. Next, we have some crisps. They look kind of like crackers. These are cauliflower crisps from Hippie Snacks, and in original flavors. I guess it's just like salt. These look really good. I've never had these. I've never even seen them, but I like crunchy cracker things, so this is something I will definitely enjoy. Next, from Kibo, and we've had this brand before. These are lentil chips. I don't think we've had lentil chips from them. I want to say we've had something like tortilla chips or something. I don't remember off the top of my head. They're sea salt flavored, so these will be interesting. We'll check those out and see how it goes. Ooh. From Bakery on Main, this is the Bake Shop Bliss Monster Cookie Decadent Granola. I love when they send these little granola packs because it's like a perfect serving size if you put it on top of yogurt. So I really enjoy getting these, and I'll probably have this for breakfast sometime in the coming days. Next, we have a cookie, so that's exciting. Coffee and Cookie Yes Bar, world's best tasting snack bar. So, Austin loves cookies, one of the reasons he loves getting this box, but he's not so big on coffee, so I have a feeling this bar will end up being mine to try. Next, we have from Explore Cuisine, the organic black bean spaghetti. And I can actually tell you I've had this before, and I do not like it at all. I might give it another try, see if I can overcome the weird taste and texture of the noodle, but I'm not a big fan of this at all, so meh. It doesn't look like they included any cards this month. I don't have any cards in my box, so that's weird. But there are more products to go through. From Noka, this is the Superfood Smoothie Strawberry and Pineapple Plant-Based Protein Smoothie. I don't like things that come in these squeeze in your mouth type of things. They kind of gross me out. But since this is a smoothie all on its own, I might put it in a cup and have it with a straw, but I don't know. I might just squeeze it into the blender and have it with a bigger smoothie. We'll see. Or maybe Austin will drink it. I don't like this into the mouth pouch situation. But aside from that, it seems very interesting. Flavors, strawberry and pineapple seem pretty good. From Nairn's, I guess is how you say it. These are gluten-free chocolate chip oat grams. That sounds interesting. Maybe I'll tuck these away and hide them from Austin, and I'll have them for the next time I make s'mores. That'd be interesting. I have been trying to find easily accessible vegan graham crackers, and I cannot do it. They are nowhere around here. I can't find anything easy to find on Amazon. I found little like baggies of them in a gluten-free section of the store, but those didn't hold up very well. I don't know. Hopefully these are a good solution. So I'm actually really excited to try these. We've got 2 more items. Oh, they're from the same place. I guess I'll share them together. From Wild Remedies, we have the Immunity Spiced Chocolate Magic Latte and the Relax Almond Lavender Dream Magic Latte. These are definitely things I will end up using because I love these little latte mixes or drink additives and stuff like that. These are fun for me. And I like when they send teas and coffees and stuff like that. So I can't wait to try these. They are very, very interesting. And I love the branding with the gold writing. Really cute. So I'm very excited to try these. And that's everything that came snack-wise in the box. So I'm going to pack it back in the box so I can take it downstairs easily. And then we'll get to the beauty subscription. So here is the beauty subscription. Let's bust on into here and see what's going on. First item. This is heavy. Okay. From Wonder Gloss. This is the Face Aperitif. The packaging is really cool. What is this? Invigorate your skin with a spritz of a sunny day. Power packed with natural florals and super H2O ingredients. Mist face aperitif on to your skin after cleansing and add hydration to your foundation. Add a dewy finish. Okay, so the florals kind of make me hesitant. It does have flower extract in here. There's fragrance at the end, and there's coloring, which seems highly unnecessary to me. But let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. So here's what it looks like. Honestly, the coloring in this, while really pretty, highly unnecessary. This looks more like a Victoria's Secret body spray than a face mist. I would not expect color to be in the face mist. That said, the packaging is gorgeous. I will not be using this. This is really, really nice, but I won't be using it. I wish we had a card so I could tell you guys the value and stuff, but I'm pretty sure this probably has a decent value to it because that glass container is amazing. It's hefty. It feels fancy with the flower extracts. The packaging's really nice. This is probably a pricier item, I would think, but I'm going to stick this, if it fits, into the giveaway items I've been collecting. Yep, it fits in the box, so that's going to be going in the next giveaway whenever I eventually fill that box. Alright, next item. The Face Scrub with Avocado for Hungry Skin. Yummycado. Every day for future. This packaging is chaotic. It's got avocados all over it. But I guess this is a face scrub. Sorry, my emails are going off. Yeah. Or a face wash? Or is it a mask? I'm so confused by this product. It says face scrub on the front, but the directions make it seem like a mask. I don't know. I'll have to actually take a look at it and see what the texture's like, but interesting. It's definitely caught my interest because it's so unusual with the avocado, and the avocado's all over this. Now I have to know, like, is it green? But I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it, but interesting product. Next we have from Levito the Thera Intensive Foot Cream. I've had this before, so this isn't very exciting to me, but it was a overall nice enough foot cream, so I'm not mad to get another one and use it. It's just not very exciting. And the last product is from Colitis, and this is Soin... No, that is not my language. Anti-Blue Light Shield Cream. Blue Defense. Okay. Interesting. So I guess it's a face cream. The ingredient list looks mostly okay. There is fragrance towards the bottom. It's like the second or third to last ingredient. So I'm gonna have to take a whiff of this and see if it's smelly or not. I don't know, let's go ahead and open it. As long as it doesn't have a, yeah, it's got a thingy. So I don't want to open that because I don't want to make a mess. And then I drop it, of course. But I will have to smell this and decide if that fragrance is really overpowering or not. If it's not, I might actually keep this. I am on the tail end of my face cream right now, so we'll see. This is a we'll see. Overall, this box is not exciting to me. Let me grab this again. This seems like it's probably the all-star product of the box, and it's kind of crap. Like, it doesn't need the coloring, it doesn't need floral scents. This is unnecessary to me, and even without those things, it feels like it's kind of a basic product wrapped up in super fancy packaging. The packaging is really cool though. I'm not gonna knock the packaging is cool. This is just weird and it intrigues me, so that's kind of cool. This is not exciting because I've had it before, but I will certainly use it, so I'm not mad about that. And then this is an iffy one. This is gonna be a maybe. So not the most exciting. I mean, I guess that's on par for what I expect because Vegancuts has been kind of meh lately. Yeah. Give it a C, I suppose. It's just alright. So, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you like getting to see what's in the Vegancuts snack box, definitely let me know down below, and I will try to always grab that before Austin gets his hands on it. But like I said, it's mostly for him. He's the snacker in the fam. And yeah, thumbs up, comments down below, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!